Ever wondered which is better between Python and Java? These two programming languages have left a significant mark in the tech industry, each with its own set of strengths and unique attributes. On one hand, Python, the versatile high-level language, is celebrated for its simplicity and readability, making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. On the other hand, Java, the stalwart of object-oriented programming, is renowned for its robustness and wide-ranging applications, from web services to mobile apps. The main differences lie in their syntax, speed, and usage. Python's syntax is simpler and more intuitive, while Java is faster and more widely used in enterprise environments. But the question remains, which is better? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. The best choice depends on your specific needs and goals. So, strap in, as we're about to dive deeper into the fascinating world of Python and Java. Now let's dive deeper into the world of Python and Java. Python, named after the famous British comedy troupe Monty Python, is an easy-to-learn, versatile language. Its use in the world of programming is expansive, ranging from data analysis and machine learning to web development. The language's simplicity and readability make it a favorite among beginners, effectively lowering the entry barrier into the world of programming. Python's syntax is clean and intuitive, allowing coders to express complex ideas in fewer lines of code. However, Python does have its quirks. Its speed, for instance, is slower compared to some other languages due to its interpreted nature. But worry not, with proper optimization, this speed can be significantly improved. What sets Python apart is its supportive and rapidly growing community, always ready to lend a hand and share knowledge. This makes Python not just a programming language, but a tool for community learning and collaboration. Python certainly has its strengths, but what about Java? Java, not just a type of coffee, but a powerful, widely used programming language. It's the muscle behind numerous enterprise-grade applications, the brain of countless Android apps, and a cornerstone of modern web development. With Java, you're dealing with a more complex syntax, but don't let that scare you. This complexity offers you a greater degree of flexibility and control over your code. And let's talk speed. Java races ahead thanks to its compiled nature, which allows for faster execution of code. But it's not just about the language itself. There's a vast, mature, and incredibly helpful community of Java programmers out there. Whether you're a seasoned coder or a newbie, you'll find a wealth of resources and support to help you navigate the Java landscape. Java clearly holds its own, but how do they compare head-to-head? Now that we've looked at Python and Java individually, how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with their use. Python is a jack of all trades, finding its place in diverse fields like data analysis, artificial intelligence, web development, and more. It's like a Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Java, on the other hand, is a workhorse in large-scale enterprise applications, mobile application development, and systems programming. Looking at syntax, Python is often praised for its simplicity and readability. It's like reading English, which makes it a great choice for beginners. Java, though not as simple, follows a rigid, object-oriented structure, which can be beneficial for complex, large-scale projects. In terms of speed, Java takes the lead. Its compiled nature allows it to run faster, whereas Python, being an interpreted language, tends to be slower. But remember, speed isn't always the deciding factor. Let's talk about community support. Both Python and Java have large, active communities. This means a wealth of resources, tutorials, and libraries are at your disposal. So whether you're stuck on a bug or looking to learn, you're not alone. Now, the million-dollar question, Python or Java? Well, it's like choosing between a sports car and an SUV. It all boils down to what you want to achieve. If you're after simplicity and versatility, Python is your go-to. But if you need speed and control for large-scale projects, Java could be your best bet. So, Python or Java? The answer is it depends. Both Python and Java have their strengths and weaknesses. Python, with its simplistic charm and adaptable nature, proves to be an excellent choice for novice coders and data-focused projects. On the other hand, Java, with its swift execution and granular control, is the go-to for large-scale applications and tasks that demand high performance. In the end, the choice between Python and Java boils down to your specific needs and expertise. So, which one